Okay, so this is the timbale video, okay? So starting off, these are timbales. They're basically the drum set of the Latin jazz band. We don't actually use a drum set. So basic to anatomy, you have two timbales. The shells of the timbales are called the cascara, and it literally just means shell. You're going to have a mambo bell, which is the same bell as a very similar bell to the bongo players, and you have a cha-cha bell, or you'll have a wood block, okay? And this is used in cha-chas, and we'll use it to play the clave, and we'll also we can use that jam block from like marching band to play the clave. So the first pattern you're going to do is called cascara, okay? And this is going to be with your right hand, and you play it on the side of the shell here, if you can see it here. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and ba 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 ba. So really practice this and get this down and practice counting it and practice singing it, okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to worry about putting in the clave, the pattern over the top of this. We're going to play this on the cha-cha bell. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and, okay? So then you're going to put these together. So I'll put this here so you can see this. This is my left hand playing the cha-cha bell and playing the clave on it, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. So a little faster and playing on the side, it sounds like 1. A little bit quicker. Okay, so that's pattern 1. That's called cascara, because you play on the cascara, the shell of the drum. Okay, the next pattern is called the mambo pattern, or because you're going to play it on the mambo bell. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Okay, so 1. So this is a stylistic thing. It's called walking the bell. All right, so. And you want to make sure that you play this 4 and way up here at the top of the bell. Okay, I'm using kind of smaller sticks for this, but you'll get a beefier sound, okay? And this is for the chorus section, the B section of a song. It's the really big, fat, meaty section, okay? And surprise, surprise, you're going to play the cha-cha at the same time with this, okay? It'll also play the clave. So again, this is the 2, 3 clave, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. And it's called 2, 3 because you go rest. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And together they go 1. Excuse me. Okay, so this one actually is going to play in the space of this pattern a bunch. So it's together. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Okay, now. If you guys want to get a little bit more excited about it, so what you can do is I'm going to take the bells off here for a second so you can see some of the drum work I can do. So we haven't actually played the drum part of the drums yet, right? For a very basic fill, and most of the time when you play this drum, this high drum, it's going to be on your left, your low, and on your right, your high, okay? You're going to play rim shots on the high drum for the most part. Okay? So usually you're going to play buzzes here as well. So it's very common to go buzz, buzz, tap, tap, and those are both rim shots. All right, both of those are supposed to be rim shots. Excuse me, that didn't happen. All right, now over here, instead of doing closed buzzes, we tend to do open diddles. So it's very common. practice that way. Another thing you can do is you can practice playing, this is called the Timbale, which is what the bass player is going to play. So they're going to play 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So closed on the end of 2 and open on 4. You can practice this as well. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, but playing with your Costco. So 1, 2 and 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Okay. You can also do the same thing with the mambo bell and place this tumbao pattern in between the mambo bell, and it'll be the same for both bars of the mambo bell pattern. 2-bar pattern, 2-bar pattern. Okay. Also, your cha-cha playing your 2-3 clave is going to be a 2-bar pattern. Okay. Good. So that should be everything you need to know.